Here is the part no one talks about. The closer you get to the epic life, the louder fear gets. That's not a warning. That is confirmation you are expanding. Fear is just your body saying, "We've never been here before. Is it safe?" And your job is to say, "Yes, my love, this is new. This is good. We're going anyway." Because, see, you don't need to eliminate fear. You just need to stop giving it the steering wheel. Feel it, honor it, then walk through it anyway. Every awesome chapter begins with one brave yes.